What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. All right, so in today's video we got a lot to go over. Now, of course, we got the three things that we're going to be talking about in today's videos. Three features that I don't know if you know about, you may know about, but you just need a reminder because they are very, very sick. But other than that, we got a lot going on in today's video. First and foremost, yours truly is a birthday boy. Well, not today, September 9th, but this is going to be the last video I make as a 22-year-old because on Sunday, why did I say that weird? On Sunday, I'm turning 23. 23 like Michael Jordan. I don't know how old he is, but I don't think he's 23, but you know, his number was 23. Anyways, we're turning 23 and I was on my YouTube channel and I was like, reminder, this video came up a year ago. So I click on it and I was like, that's true. I did make this video a year ago. So maybe it's gonna be our little channel theme where every year I make the same video just for my birthday. I remember my last birthday, I took the day off and I went off-roading and I was like, please, okay, YouTube gods, if there's anything you want to do for me, make my birthday video go viral. And it did pretty well, 53,000 views to this date. So let's see what this video has to hold. This year we're gonna go camping. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. That video will probably be up Wednesday or Monday, one of the two. Not only that, there are a few mods coming to this truck that I personally wanted so bad, I just didn't think I could get them because, okay, listen guys, I'm not made out of money and I didn't know I was gonna afford them. The company's sending stuff out to me. It's absolutely absurd to say that. I'm absolutely shocked. And I gotta take a step back and say absolutely thank you. Thank you to every single one of you guys that makes this possible. You literally liking and watching my videos, spending your precious time with me is making my dreams become a reality. So thank you very much. Hopefully this year goes even better. Of course, we always want better, but hey, I'm happy with where we are right now. In today's video, I'm gonna sneak peek one of those things that is coming to the channel. If you guess it, I'll shout you out in that video, but if not, stay tuned. We got a lot coming. A little bit over there, a little bit over, oh god, I pointed right at it, and then right there and right there. So with that being said, I know I've been blabbering for quite some time. If you're interested in that, leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But without further ado, let's get into three things you didn't know about your truck. So the first thing that I want to show you guys in today's video has to do with visibility. I know in these pickup trucks we feel massive, we feel huge, but that comes with being massive and being huge. So you got to be able to watch and see everything that's going on. You got your side view mirrors, you got your rear view mirror, but out of the rear view mirror, it's kind of hard to see at times. Let me show you. There's a headrest there, and then on this side, no, that's just my beautiful face. But there's a little way around this. So there's a few things that you can do back here. If this back seat's in use all the time, you're gonna wanna do this. You're gonna wanna pop this bad boy up and just slam it down. So just bringing it up like that gives you a lot of visibility. Now you may be asking, Aang, why does it matter if there's somebody back here all the time? Because you can completely get rid of this, but if you have somebody that rides in the back seat all the time, you want them to have a headrest. With this being that way, they can just pop it back into place and you're all good to go. Then once they're done, you lift it up, and then you're back to having that visibility. This one I believe is for the newer Toyota Tacoma owner that wants to get the most out of their back seat that doesn't really need the back seat. Watch this. So now that we're in the back seat, all right, I was gonna try to make a joke about it, but let's be honest, speak of the devil, Sandy's mom was having a birthday party. We did some Chinese catering. Sandy didn't want the food to go in the bed of the truck. Hello. So she's like, let's put all the food back here. So we put the food back here and then Chinese food spilled all over the seat. So that's why the seat's not here. I'm just explaining.
Why are you doing this? So are you gonna explain why it's in the middle of the living room?
Yes. It is in the middle of the living room, but it would be in the seat had you not spilled Chinese on it.
Whatever. What?
So this, when I first found it out, I absolutely freaked out. So you slap this bad boy up like this. Now it's out of the way. Now this is where it gets sick. This is where it gets super cool. So you can pop this bad boy up like that. It's a lot easier if you have both your hands, but as you guys can see, I did it with one. Push that thing down, do it for the other side. All right, so this is where it gets cool. Sandy's jumping the gun, but there's literal holes for this to go in. Bada boom, bada bing. Then you just grab this thing, pull it up. Then you got a completely flat back seat, which is absolutely sick. As long as your girlfriend doesn't spill Chinese food on the other one, then the headrest will have somewhere to go. I didn't know if you were coming or not. It just happened to be that you came at the right time. There's been a couple times where Sandy's like, hey, go pick up groceries. And I'm like, but the bed is a mess. Bada boom, bada bing. Now we have somewhere to put groceries. In my last video that I made a year ago, I said that you could camp here.
It's not for sleeping.
It's not for sleeping. If you're a rather smaller person, then you can do it.
What are you trying to say?
But I can't. I'm 5'9". So if you're less than 5'9", I think like 5'6" or 5'5", should be fine. All right, moving on to number two. Number two is a big one. I'm in a lot of Toyota Tacoma group chats on Facebook, and there's always a newbie who joins and he's like, oh, just picked up my TRD Pro and I can't believe it didn't come with a gas cap holder. Listen, buddy, all right, look, I did get a gas cap holder only because a company sent it out to me. Had they not sent it out to me, I would have been perfectly fine. Now that I'm looking at it, I think I installed it wrong. This will be linked down below if you're interested, but you don't need it. You really don't. You unscrew this, you grab it, and you put it right here. Or you can use the link down below and pick yourself up a gas cap holder if you want, but you know, you don't really need it. A lot of people buy these and they're like, oh, it's not even that useful. It's really not. You got to get used to it, or you can just get used to doing this and save it. Bada boom, bada bing. Do not buy a locking gas cap. Trust me, there's a video on that too. I panicked. It was awful. Moving on to number three. Number three, this one's a gem. Okay, this one is a gem. This one I relate to and I think about all the time because I almost made an absolute fool of myself. I was out and about and there was a lot of people doing crazy things, so I was like, monkey see, monkey do, pretty much. And I was like, okay, let me spin my tires up. How do you spin tires up? My thought was just to hold the brake down and hit the gas. With modern technology, it doesn't let you do that. Once it feels that you're doing that, it cuts the power to prevent you from breaking something. So if you turn traction control off, you'll be a-okay, right? Kind of. So right here is the traction control button. So you click it and then it changes. Let me show you. I just gotta find my keys. For someone who was saying it wasn't comfortable, my keys were right there. I don't know where my keys are. I'm panicking. I lost my keys. No, I actually lost my keys. I found my keys. So let's say you want to do something dumb. You want to turn off the traction. Bada boom, bada bing. So that's what's gonna happen. You turned off some of it. So the auto LSD is on. So that's the limited slip differential. Pretty much what that means is once you start to lose traction, it's gonna cut your power to give you traction where you need it most. So click it again. Make sure there's nothing on the screen. Then you're gonna want to hold it down. After a few seconds, it should completely turn traction control off. Now, I'm not 100% sure how true that traction control off is, nor would I recommend you doing burnouts in your Toyota Tacoma. Your Tacoma is going to embarrass you. If you have anything bigger than a 245, do not even try it. You are gonna do a one wheel peel and everyone's gonna absolutely joke on you, so don't do it. Save yourself the embarrassment. Cutting the traction control off is very useful though in like off-roading scenarios. So that's why I feel the need to tell you, because if you don't know about it, sometimes traction control on can get you stuck. Are we recording? Are we live? I'm not sure. I hope you guys did enjoy. Those are my three features that I don't think a lot of people know about or even use, but they are super useful in a pinch. So I really do appreciate every single one of you guys liking, commenting, subscribing, everything that you guys do for me. It's an absolute treat how nice you guys are. Sandy is parked in the middle of the road. Stay tuned for next week's videos. There is literally so many mods, so many different things coming to the truck. I don't even know where to begin, but I cannot wait because I'm so excited. With that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.